are leaving for our trip in 3 days. Baby.
Sorry, go ahead.
Hey, we are painting today. We're painting cabinets. I feel like I'm like fake painting.
Hey, Happy New Year.
Day 3 of painting.
We gotta change out these locks because they barely work and the keys are breaking. So nice locks. Like a glove.
Hi. Okay. So while I'm over here painting, Jesse is making a cup holder because we don't have any cup holders. So I asked him to make me one. That is so beautiful. Wow.
Something like that.
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
I'm literally in love with it.
You gotta measure a cup.
Something we should have done like a couple months ago, like back in November. Holy, you are shaking. You are shaking a lot. Sorry. We are finally registering the Chinook. Yeah. See what I mean? Should have been done a while ago. But in a way, it's like kind of cool that I waited this long because I have the excitement all over again. I feel like I'm buying it all over again. We are leaving for our trip in 3 days. Back from City Hall, went to the Dollar Tree, got some cheap cleaning supplies, and we're gonna clean. I'm excited. It's gonna be great. You ever go to clean and you feel like you've only made it worse? It's a bit like how I'm feeling. What a banger. Did I just paint these white? Yes. And they're filthy already. It's funny because people that always paint their rigs white, the interior white, they're like, yeah, if I were to do it again, like I wouldn't do it that color. And then the noobs that like watch the videos of people saying that over and over again, but like we still do it. But that's what I paint it. I don't know, I like it white. It's cute white. Did I just end the video right there? Yeah, I did. I was planning on showing me decorating, but like the time just went by so quickly. We are now in our second night of our trip. Where are we? I'm not gonna tell you. Is it decorated in here? Yes. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Here we go. Thanks for watching. I love you. Good night.